Hey everyone, I'm Michael.
And I'm Chris.
And we are MK Experience, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Guys, we really appreciate all those who've already subscribed to our channel. You know who you are. You're awesome. We thank you for doing that. If you haven't, we would be honored, Chris and I both would be honored, if you guys would subscribe to our channel and follow along with us. Hit that notification and
give us a thumbs up if you like it.
Don't forget the thumbs up. We want to share with you guys our experience with Camping World. We own a Forest River product. It's the Riverstone Legacy. And in the region that we're in, the closest dealer to take it to is Camping World. So we set that up. Some of you may have watched our last video called Our First Trailer Accident. We dropped it off and the nightmare happened.
We took it there so that they could review what was going on with our warranty work that needed to be done. And when we got the call, them saying, all right, we got it figured out. We've got parts on order. That's the good news. But the bad news is somebody hit your camper.
Wah, wah. Yeah. And that really tested our patience and our... Oh boy, yeah, so we went over there, and of course you guys, if you've watched that, you know that it ended up going really smooth, and actually Camping World got us in there and did like a 3-day turnaround in their body shop area, and they did a great job.
And in the meantime, we got to actually meet some nice people because the people who hit our camper were pretty nice people.
Yeah, and then she ended up being a pastor, so we kind of had that in common with her. So bad thing made good, right? You know? So now let's fast forward to, they had to order our parts from Forest River. The parts finally came after, how many months do you think?
Couple months.
A couple months. Finally came in, so I get the call, and they said, Mr. Larson, you can bring in your fifth wheel, your parts are in. Now I had told them, I only want to bring it in when you guys are ready to install them because I didn't want what happened before to happen again. I really don't like leaving, you know, your fifth wheel on their property because they pack them in like sardines. They fly around with the forklifts pulling your stuff, and I'd rather keep it at home where I know it's safe, bring it in, and then have them work on it. And but nope, sat there for 3 weeks, guys.
Yeah, we actually had to reach out to them because we're getting ready to go on a trip to the Outer Banks, and so we needed to know that we'd have our camper back in time to get everything ready for our trip.
Yeah, so we had to kind of put the squeeze on them, and I called them. I said, hey, if you guys can't get it done before this Friday coming up, I have to come get it because I'm not going to cancel my camping trip, because a lot of you guys know it's hard to get reservations these days. So they're like, oh, no problem. So we got the call, and Chris and I are going there this morning to go pick it up, and then we're going to check it out, and hopefully everything works.
Yes. One of the things we did learn, and they told us on the phone, was that they are so backed up that they've actually, when we had called them, they were actually making outgoing calls to let all of the people that were lined up for warranty work know that they were going to get pushed out another 3 weeks because they've been selling so many new campers, like 70 a month. And so
Crazy.
The new campers and the new customers are taking precedent over any of the warranty work or service work that needs to be done. They actually told us that they are looking for 6 new service techs. So there's a shortage of people out there right now, and unfortunately it's impacting all of us.
Yeah, that's for sure. So we're going to load up, go over there, we're going to check it out, pick it up, and we'll get back to you soon.
performance, but open to finding the moment, to finding out where I'm headed now. Looking for a sign of disaster, so I can make it there faster. I'm weighing the consequences out.
So as you guys can see, look who's back.
Yay!
Big
back
Blue
home.
is back, and we have it leveled. We ran the slides out, and one of our warranty things that we needed fixed, our Schwintek system, needed to be fixed. And so we, as soon as we got home, we ran out a slide just so we could make sure that it did go in and out and that they did fix it. And then we had a piece of wood trim that needed to be fixed because it was cracked. That was taken care of as well. But when we got there, it was exactly how we thought it was going to be. When we found our fifth wheel, it was pinned between a dumpster and another fifth wheel with, I don't know, a foot of space,
yeah,
maybe
so
between
close.
the two. Unbelievable. And then as we were there, sure enough, just like we had said in the earlier video, here comes a guy hauling a Montana on the forklift, just like
Flying down the parking lot.
yeah, flying down the parking lot. And I was like, this is exactly what we were talking about earlier. So the good news is we do have it home now. Everything is working. We had to put a little pressure on them to get it done so we could have it for our camping trip, but they got it done. So that's good. We do have a couple more things that have to be done for warranty work yet. So there'll be a part 3.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. And we were really hoping to have a video of them actually pulling our RV out of the spot, but unfortunately we got tied up with paperwork, so we didn't get to get there this time, but next time, we'll see.
Yeah, next time we'll see. Hopefully we can do that. But that's our experience with Camping World. So yeah, it was delayed by 3 weeks, but they did get it done. So we're happy. We're happy campers.
Yeah.
Hey, that's what happy camper means.
And now we're looking forward to our trip to the Outer Banks
Yeah,
next
so guys,
week.
yeah, be watching for that because we're going to have a video on the Outer Banks. We've never been there before. We're super pumped about it because anytime you get to go camping, how can you not be super pumped about going camping?
And camping at the ocean? Wow.
Yes.
What better thing to do?
So again, we appreciate you guys. If you haven't, please subscribe to our video channel. We'd be honored if you do that. Until then, we say God bless.
And safe travels.